To attach your 18-inch classic wall roller, you will need a 7/16" wrench or socket. After opening the package, organize your hardware. Separate the nuts from the bolts. Place 3 nuts and bolts on one side and the other 3 nuts and bolts on the other side. There is a left and right wall roller. Make sure each roller is facing the correct direction for the side it will be installed on. These 3 holes in the roller will attach to these 3 holes in the side bracket. Insert a bolt through the top hole in the wall roller. Find the top hole on the side bracket and push the bolt through the frame. Place a nut into the recessed hole on the back side of the matching hole. Finger tighten the bolt onto the nut. Repeat this process with the 2 other nuts and bolts. Using a 7/16" wrench or socket, tighten all 3 bolts. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Attach the wall roller to the side bracket. Finger tighten the nuts, then fully tighten them with the wrench or socket. Once both wall rollers are attached, double check that the clear sweeper piece is about 1/4 inch from the wall. The sweeper piece is set in place during manufacturing, but it can sometimes shift in shipping, or your wall may have a different shape than what we set this to. Place your unit next to a wall, making sure the small black wheel touches the wall. You can replicate a wall with a flat vertical surface if you prefer to do it on a table. If it is too close to the wall or not close enough, continue with the adjustment. To adjust the wall sweeper, you will need a 9mm wrench or 11/32" socket and a Phillips head screwdriver with a fairly long shaft. Slightly loosen both screws using the screwdriver and wrench. Double check that the small black wheel is touching the vertical wall or surface. Next, adjust the height off the floor. Grab the ejector tool and slide it under the sweeper piece. With the sweeper loose, adjust it so it sits no more than 1/4 inch away from the wall. The sweeper should be close to the wall, but it should not touch. You do not want it to catch on the sidewall. Tighten the sweeper at this height. Put your basket back on and you're ready to roll. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email.